Shwmai! This video will help you learn more about Fy Nysgu, My Learning. If you're learning Welsh with Dysgu Cymraeg, you'll have access to My Learning. To access, log in to learnwelsh.cymru and select My Learning. Croeso I My Learning. The panel on the left shows what your current level is and what lessons and tasks you may have during the week. You can also follow the links Personal Details, Contact in an Emergency, Account Details to ensure that your information is correct and edit if necessary. There are several tiles on My Learning which gives you access to all Dysgu Cymraeg's resources. You can enrol on a course, for example Sadwn Siarad or a weekend course, information about events, and read various blogs about other learners, what tasks the tutor wants you to complete during the week, and much more. My Courses. Here you'll find information about your course. You can see your attendance and your progress here. Taster Courses. Browse our taster courses. There is something for everyone. Useful resources. There are many different resources at every level, from mynediad, entry, to gloywi, proficiency, to help you practice your Cymraeg. Browse through the Useful Resources section. You can favourite the resources you find useful or enjoy the most, and they will be available especially for you in your My Learning. My Tasks. There will be tasks for you to complete in this section every week. If you're enrolled on a blended course, the self-study work before the lesson with a tutor will appear here. The latest news. Read Learn Welsh news articles here and be the first to know about the events that will be held throughout the year to help you practice your Cymraeg. Latest blogs. Read stories about other learners here. My Level. Use the level checker to assess your level, reading, listening, writing and speaking skills. Cynllun Siarad. The Cynllun Siarad scheme is available to learners at Canolradd, Intermediate, Uwch, Advanced and Gloywi, Proficiency level courses. Cynllun Siarad brings Welsh speakers and learners together for an informal conversation in social settings. In My Learning, you can keep track of your Cynllun Siarad, change availability, track progress and much more. Find a course. You can use the Course Wizard to help you choose a course that suits you. Make the most of every opportunity to practice your Cymraeg. Go to Sadwn Siarad or a weekend course during the year. If you want any additional information, feel free to contact us. Email swyddfa@dysgucymraeg.cymru or call 0300 323 4324. Pob lwc on your Dysgu Cymraeg journey.